In this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up a business account with Airwallex. If you are launching a new venture or scaling an existing one, separating business and personal money is one of the simplest ways to take control of your finances. A dedicated business account brings clarity for bookkeeping, credibility with customers and partners, and smoother tax reporting. It also unlocks tools built for businesses, from multi-user access to accounting integrations and global money management. Before you apply, make sure your business is legally registered and then follow the steps that I'll be showing in this video to open the right account and set it up for day-to-day operations. As for what a business account is, a business account holds company funds only. You use it to receive and send payments, monitor cash flow, run payroll, and connect to other financial tools tailored to your business needs. It is opened in the company name and often includes higher limits, multi-user access, and integrations. Now, you do need a business account to keep your finances separate for accurate reporting and audits, operate under your business name for professionalism, simplify taxes, and access features such as invoicing, expense tracking, bill pay, and payroll. For LLCs and corporations, separation also supports legal protection. Now let's go ahead and talk about some key differences between a business account and a personal account. Business accounts are for company transactions with features such as invoicing and multi-user access, opened under the business name and aligned to compliance needs. Personal accounts are for individual use and are not suitable for business deductions. Some common types of business accounts: we've got business checking for daily payments, savings or reserves to set aside funds, merchant or settlement accounts for card payments, and company cards for controlled spending. You want to pick what matches your cash flow. You do not need every type on day one. Now, of course, some security basics that you want to choose providers with two-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring. Monitor activity and report unusual transactions quickly. Bank-held deposits may have FDIC insurance up to limits, while non-bank providers offer other safeguarding based on their licensing. Here is how you can open a business account step by step. First of all, you want to choose the right provider. You should compare the fees, digital features, multi-currency support, and scalability. If you operate internationally, local currency accounts and faster cross-border payments add flexibility. Second, we've got to prepare your documents. Business registration or incorporation papers, EIN or tax ID for authorized signers, ownership details, and business address. Third is to complete the application. You provide your accurate business and owner information to avoid any delays. Digital-first platforms often approve accounts quickly. And then you make an initial deposit where required, as some providers will require no minimum, while others may ask for a starting balance. After that, you enable mobile and web access, add users with roles, connect accounting such as QuickBooks or Xero, and configure spend controls. Now, if you are looking for a faster, more flexible way to manage business finances, Airwallex offers a modern alternative to traditional banks for these reasons. First, we've got multi-currency support, as you can open local currency accounts in 20+ currencies. Collect global payments and pay international suppliers without forced conversions or delays. You also get transparent pricing, as you can avoid hidden fees and inflated bank rates. Get interbank FX rates across 60+ currencies and save up to 80% on conversion costs. In addition to that, you get built-in expense management, as you can issue unlimited virtual and physical employee cards, control spend with real-time limits, and streamline reconciliation from a single platform. Airwallex is also fully licensed and regulated with encryption, fraud monitoring, and compliance controls designed for global businesses. You get quick setup, no need for a branch visit, as you can apply online in just minutes with your business documents and start managing your finances right away. And finally, you get seamless integrations with popular accounting tools like Xero, NetSuite, and QuickBooks. The right business account is the foundation for smarter financial decisions, better organization, and long-term growth. Go ahead and apply for Airwallex online and start managing your global finances right away. You can get started completely for free with their Explore plan and then upgrade your plan as your business needs grow. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think of it by leaving a comment down below. And if you have found this video to be helpful and informative to watch, then give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos relating to this one.